Once upon a time, there was a boat which was carrying different people from different parts of the world. Some of them were Asians, some were Arabs, some were Europeans, and some were Africans. A great storm came and it destroyed the boat. And in order to find safety, all of them went to a nearby island. Now, while on the island, the Asians would only speak with the Asians, the Europeans will speak with only Europeans, the Arab and Africans will speak with Arabs and Africans respectively. Day by day, the supplies on that island started getting depleted and some of them started falling sick. So they realized that they need to share their supplies in order to survive in this island. And it was this sharing which made them realize that they were not only sharing the supplies, but they were also sharing joy, love and kindness, and above all, they were sharing the community. It was this sharing and it was this togetherness which made them stand strong until the day they were finally rescued. In this world where we all live is very much like this island. We are all different from each other in very different ways. In one way or other, each one of us is stuck somewhere in life, just like these people who are stuck on that island. In this season of Ramadan, let it be a time where a brother comes and shares with brother in need, where a sister comes and shares with sister who is lacking. Let us all put aside our differences, unite with each other and share the joy and happiness of humanity. In this Ramadan, let us remember there is always unity in the community. Remembering that we need to come together and we need to live a life of selflessness, caring for the brother and sisters all across the world who are stuck on the island of depression, sickness, poverty and all kind of troubles. So as we all share the iftah with our friends, family and community, we are not only just sharing the iftah, but we are sharing the spirit of joy, happiness and kindness in the humanity. With this, I wish all the Muslim friends in Parul University and everyone else a blessed Ramadan. I am sure you had a blessed Ramadan season and I wish all of you Eid Mubarak. Thank you.